Another interesting elevator today on the 22nd of September 2023. Here's Itäinen Pitkäkatu, Österlånggatan 9 stakes. I have filmed the stakes D here before, but it was with a bad quality, so we'll take a retake on D as well.
Yeah.
In Turku, Finland, close to the Kupittakutpi service station. Also close to where the first light rail line should be built immediately. It was built in 1966, between the year 65 and 67, when they made that horrible decision to destroy the whole tram system, and the first year of closure was 67. The symbol is H14361. 55 is already 2021, going to be inspected in 2025, and they have only changed this panel inside in the late 1990s.
Yeah,
it looks like that, but with there are these push buttons. Still deserves two rides.
Yeah.
But still, this banner wasn't necessary.
Yeah.
But it's interesting stuff.
Yeah.
I like the sounds and the smelling here.
Same. Speedbike'i vaikuttavat meidän tautissa on viskrattis.
It's also encared to the end. That's it.
That's